Welcome. Steve Tari here, and on behalf of the CourSeller team, we are super excited to welcome you to CourSeller. We're so very excited, and welcome to this page, right? So down below, you're going to see login URL. Just click on the login button. It takes you to the CourSeller members area, and just button after that, you're also going to see an easy way to also contact the CourSeller support. We'll be super excited to hear from you, right? Then the button after that is the one you can use to register for our CourSeller over the shoulder webinars, right? We're going to be having several of them, right, to show you how to monetize CourSeller, how to scale it, how to start it, how to scale it, right? Despite the fact that everything already is done by AI. CourSeller is fully powered by AI, right? The avatar, everything, the course creator, fully powered by AI, right? But we also are here to help you every step of the way, right? So when you get it, just click on the members area, put in your login details. You check in your inbox, right, of the email that you use to purchase CourSeller. Right, if you don't see it in the inbox, check the other folders, right? You can also check the spam folder. In some cases, it may be there, right? But ensure you check for the login details coming from CourSeller, right? So once you get to your login details, you log in, go to the dashboard. Once you get to the dashboard, you're going to see the welcome video we have there that is going to give you an overview of CourSeller and how to use CourSeller. CourSeller is actually very easy to use. And once you've done that, you jump into the next important step, which is to start creating courses. You can use the AI trends, you can use the AI course creator, or you can create from scratch. The option is yours, right? So you choose the language, however you want it. CourSeller is smooth. And like I said, we are here to help you every step of the way, right? So do not be a stranger. Do not hesitate to contact us if you want us, right? Now, the next one is you can also access your bonuses down here on the page as well. Now, you also have, for those that got the bundle or FE and other upgrades, you can see the further upgrades you have for CourSeller. Now, you want to access Agency Accelerate. You can also click on the button here to access Agency Accelerate. So once again, we, on behalf of the CourSeller team, we are super excited to welcome you to the CourSeller tribe, the CourSeller family. Let's here to help you take your share of the e-learning industry, right? We are super excited to be in this journey with you. So like I said, we have a group, we have a sessions where we're going to be communicating, exchanging ideas with like-minded people like you, right? So we can all grow together, right? So we are super excited to have you. I can't stress that enough, right? Log into the CourSeller dashboard and have fun using CourSeller. So if you want to talk to me, do not hesitate. You can also get across to me if you want a one-on-one consultation, right? So you can fill out the form, contact our support, and they will schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, right? So we can also talk about every other aspect of your business as well. Like I said, I'm Steve Tari once again. I'm super excited to have you, the CourSeller team. We are all super excited to have you here with us, to be a member of this community, to be a member of our tribe. We are super ready to make the difference, to make changes, and to make sure we together with you crush the e-learning industry, crush it and take it by storm. All right, for those who didn't get the bundle or got fast pass form, right? You can, if you got just the main offer, the FE alone, you can check down the thank you page. You're going to see the links to the respective upgrades, right? Now, the fact is we're actually offering a very special launch discount. So this is actually the time to get them, because these are one-time offers, right? After now, they're going to be more expensive. I will advise you to actually check down the page, check for the upsells that you haven't gotten. I repeat, this is only for those that didn't get the bundle. But if you've gotten the bundle, no need to worry about anything. You're good to go. You have all the upgrades already. If you got the fast pass after getting the FE, you're good to go. But if you got just the FE and you've not gotten any of the upgrades, kindly check here. You know what? All the upgrades are actually congruent. Each of them actually offered something. CourSeller Festival 4 is super awesome, right? So much value packed into the main offer as well. But now we added extra on the upsells, right? The upsells are all optional, but you will want to have them, right? And for you to be able to save more, I would advise you get them now during this special launch discount, because after now, the prices is going to double, right? And you may not see quite a huge number of them because they are one-time offers only available during this launch period. So check down all of them, check respective descriptions and grab all, right? Or you can grab the ones you need, right? So I'm super excited to have an awesome day. Bye-bye.